Alcohol and cigarettes are probably the two things that we as human beings do to ourselves that most interfere with the kind of quality results I seek to achieve when I'm performing cosmetic surgery. The best candidates for mid-facelift surgery are people, number one, who take care of themselves generally, whose medical conditions are minor or inconsequential or under satisfactory treatment from their internist. Second, people who are not smoking or who are not using alcohol to excess. Alcohol and cigarettes are probably the two things that we as human beings do to ourselves that most interfere with the kind of quality results I seek to achieve when I'm performing cosmetic surgery. Cigarette smoking is an absolute no-no. The nicotine interferes with healing, and I won't operate on a patient who smokes. In fact, I'll make my patients wait 6 weeks off all nicotine products, including the nicotine gum, to make sure that we're not going to have, in an elective operation, a problem associated with wound healing. I like a glass of wine. Most of my patients do too. It's alcohol in moderation, which is fine, but alcohol in excess, which can interfere with healing because it can leave you dehydrated. It can impact with the other medicines that the anesthesiologist is going to use to help sedate you. So no one's saying don't enjoy, but enjoy in moderation. And finally, have a realistic expectation about what a mid-face or full facelift can achieve. We can move tissue, but if your skin has been sun damaged, if there are fine lines and wrinkles around the corners of the mouth or the corners of the eyes or in the forehead, many times additional adjunct treatments are necessary to get the best kind of results. The best skin care is prevention. Using sunblock on your children and your friends and nieces and nephews is probably the best thing you can do for their health to prevent their photoaging. However, most of us have grown up in a time when that wasn't understood. So being in touch with a colleague who can help manage your skincare regimen in advance of a surgical procedure is not only a way to look good in general, but also a way to maintain the results after the cosmetic operation has been successfully performed.